Welcome my dear student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. So today I am going to take you a very interesting topic, that is solution of linear equation on graph. How to find out on graph? In general we have solved question, but this is the very important topic, and mostly in exam one question is from here. So you need to keep in mind this is very important topic. How to solve it? Try to understand it today. So let's see. What is the first question here? Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So I am taking first part, that is x plus y equals to 4. In such question, your first task is to write question as such. Then second part, convert this into single variable form. That means only one variable you need to take on left hand side. So this is your equation number 1. By using this equation, we are going to find all the possible value of x and y. So let's see. You can select any value. I am taking first. Take x is equals to 0 and try to take small values, because in this case you will get graph near small graph you can make. Else you will take big values, then it will increase your work. So let's see. X is 0, which implies y is equals to 4 minus 0. Put here 0. So 4 minus 0. So y you will get that time y is equals to 4. Second, take x is equals to 2. As I told you, you can take any value. I am taking any value from my side. 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. That means when x is 2, after finding the value of y is also 2. So let's take one more value. Take x is equals to 4, which implies y is equals to 4 minus 4. So what you will get? 4 minus 4, you will get a 0. This is your answer. These are the solution of this linear equation into variable. Our work is to represent all these solution on graph. So for that I need to make one table. So let's make a table first. First x value, then y value, and then both value x comma y together. What is the first value of x we have selected? We have selected 0. That time we found value of y equals to 4. Secondly, we took x is equals to 2, then we got y is also 2. Then 4 and 0. X we have selected 4, that time we get y equals to 0. After that your work is to mix them. How? Like that x I have to write first. X is 0, y 4. Then 2, 2 and 4 comma 0. For your own convenience, you can write the name of the points. Like that this point is A, B, C. So it will provide more accuracy. I can say name here, name of the points. This is your work up to here. After completing it, our work is on graph. So let's see here. This work you need to complete on a graph paper. You all know now this point is origin. Because it is here x-axis, this is negative x-axis, y, and this is negative of y. These two axes intersected point O, that is origin. And here we have all positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here all negative. This sign represent all negative this side. But keep in mind distance should be equal. There is no difference in the distance. It remains similar in all sides. This side is also negative. It is by negative axis. In this way. Now after writing this in graph paper, you need to think first the distance from here to here. It remains similar. At least one big box equals to 1. Then write scale used there. Now next task is to find these points. First point is 0, 4. 0 from x and y is 4. 0 is here. You can see both point is 0, 0 here. So x 0, y 4. This is the point where we can say this is a point where x is 0, y is 4. Second is 2 and 2. That means 2 from x-axis, 2 from y. Both sides we need to select 2 and 2. These are two lines where they are meeting each other. That point is our point B, or we can say 2 and 2. 2 comma 2. Third point is our 4 comma 0. X I need 4, y 0. Here both is 0. X is here 4, so y is 0. This point is C, 4 comma 0. After finding these points, my dear student, your work is to join these all points, and definitely they will come in a single line, or we can say in a straight line. They will come in a straight line. Now this straight line is your question. X plus y is equals to 4. This is your question, and these three values are the solution of this particular linear equation into variable. I hope it is clear to you. Let's recap over this, what we did in whole question. First, write question as such. Then, y, take any one variable. You can take even x this side, but I have selected y. Shift this x this side, and after shifting it, your work is to substitute any value of x. You can select any value here. I have selected 0. Then y I got 4, second time 2, then y also 2, third time it is 4, 4 minus 4, 0. After arranging all these values, your work is to make a table. That table is going to help out you to find the right answer. Select here like it is first 0, then y 4, and make pair. Name the point also, and after doing this complete work, point these all here. Find the answers and join in a straight line. In this way you can solve all these questions. I hope now it is clear to you how to find such questions on a graph paper. Thank you.